friends, it's Kyra. Today we are learning animals and letters. A is for alligator, B is for bear, and guess what comes next? We have an animal for every letter. Are you ready to meet them with me? Yay, let's go on the fun adventure. Here we come. He's so cute. He's my husband.
Yeah.
A. A is the first letter of the alphabet.
A says A. A for alligator.
Right up here under his legs, and then right under his tail, right back here. Perfect. Is it fun? Is it nice? So what about on the top? Feel the top. You feel those up there? They're really hard, right? They're like little dragon scales. He's like a little Florida dragon.
A. B. B is the second letter of the alphabet.
B says B. B for bear. I did it!
B.
I'm okay. Ready? Good job. Good job. Oh, he's still going.
C. C is the third letter of the alphabet.
C says K and CH says Ch. C for chicken.
Ooh.
C. D. D is the fourth letter of the alphabet.
D says duh. D for duck.
D.
Oh, look! Wow! Look again! I see it! They're so cute!
Wow.
E. E is the fifth letter of the alphabet.
E says egg. E for elk.
E. F. F is the 6th letter of the alphabet.
F says F. F for flamingo.
F.
All right.
G. G is the 7th letter of the alphabet.
G says G and sometimes J. G for giraffe.
Did you just feed a giraffe? Yeah?
Yeah, give it to him, bud.
Yeah, they give it to him.
Come on, Benjamin. You can do it. Amelia. G. H. H is the 8th letter of the alphabet.
H says hop. H for horse.
There we go.
H. I. I is the 9th letter of the alphabet.
I says I. I for iguana.
I. J. J is the 10th letter of the alphabet.
J says J. J for jellyfish.
J. K. K is the 11th letter of the alphabet.
K says K. K for kangaroo.
K.
You just want to look at us.
L. L is the 12th letter of the alphabet.
L says look. L for llama.
Do you like the llama?
I'm not scared of it.
You're not scared of the llama?
No. He's so cute. He's my husband.
L. M. M is the 13th letter of the alphabet.
M says M for monkey.
M.
He goes. He likes it.
N. N is the 14th letter of the alphabet.
And says no. And for Nubian go. I gotta get on it. I did it!
Ready?
Good job!
Go.
Kyra can beat him. She's doing it.
Okay, I'm gonna feed one.
N.
Oh no. Yeah. What? Yeah.
O. O is the 15th letter of the alphabet.
O says I. O for otter.
O. P. P is the 16th letter of the alphabet.
P said pup. P for pig.
P. Q. Q is the 17th letter of the alphabet.
Q says look. Q for Cleo.
Q. R. R is the 18th letter of the alphabet.
R says R. R for rabbits.
R. S. S is the 19th letter of the alphabet.
S says S for shark and stingray.
S.
Hi guys. Hi Rebecca.
T. T is the 20th letter of the alphabet.
T says turtle. T for turtle.
T. U. U is the 21st letter of the alphabet.
U says UR says U for urchin.
Sea urchins galore.
U. V. V is the 22nd letter of the alphabet.
V says fuck. vulture.
V. W. W is the 23rd letter of the alphabet.
W says what? W for what, Simpa?
W. X. X is the 24th letter of the alphabet.
X's and sometimes Z. X for Cirrus.
X. Y. Y is the 25th letter of the alphabet.
Y says yak. Y for yak.
Y. Z. Z is the 26th and last letter of the alphabet.
Z says Z for zebra.
Z.
A B, C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
I,
J, K, L,
M,
M,
O,
P, Q, R,
S,
T, U, V, W, X, Y,
and
Z. Now I know.